Hey fellow carvers, my name is Hunter. I run US Skull Hunter and this channel. I am going to be recommending something today if you carve skulls like me, or bone, or anything with a Dremel. It is called a Dremel chuck. It goes right on the end there of your either just the rotary tool itself, or if you have an extension, it works with the extension as well. What this allows you to do is to use practically any size carving burr that you would generally buy. That includes larger burrs, medium-sized burrs, and also the dentist style burrs. So if you get the cullet, that opens up a lot of doors as far as those dentists using those dentist burrs. It basically works the same way as a drill would. It has 3 points of contact. You hand tighten it. I actually sometimes use a wrench to tighten it down a little bit further, just for extra security. It doesn't hurt to be safe. And there's no fooling with the cullets that usually come with a Dremel. I always had a problem before I started using the chuck with the cullets, the burrs wobbling, and you do not get any wobble with the chuck. And they're like 10 bucks. So practically the cost of some of the burrs that you're going to buy is what you're going to pay for this adjustable chuck. So buy it. I'm highly recommending this. Again, I am not sponsored by Dremel. I'm just saying I use this. It's a total game changer. You need to get one. They don't always carry them at the local hardware store, so you may just want to buy it online. I will leave a link in the description of this video to the adjustable chuck, or you can just Google Dremel chuck. The number is 4486 if you really want to know. That's it. Thanks guys for watching.